Yeah, so the process of going from the aha moment to realizing a business model took probably a year and a half, and included dozens and hundreds of conversations with all sorts of different people.
Our first model we had coming out was just, here's a product, let's do a classic medical device route. We'll go through physicians, we'll give it to patients. It made a lot of sense. Once we started talking to the payer communities, we realized that they were really almost our customer. It wasn't even necessarily the patient. They really had a big pain point here. This is the most expensive type of patient they're taking care of, and every year they're spending, in the B, a lot of dollars that go into this problem. So by working with them, we started revising how we were, who we were going to market to, who we were selling to, and now it's much more direct to the payer, and it's only come through these conversations. And I think that's so key, is continuing to talk to who is your actual customer and making sure that we're able to deliver a solution that meets their needs instead of a classic way, which we sort of stamped on our product in the beginning.
Go to your future customers. In our case, it's probably pharmaceutical companies who would love to have our products in their pipeline. So I spent a great deal with them and said, so look at our technologies. We have a novel therapeutic, we have a novel target, we have the companion diagnostic in those 3 different cancers. What would you like to see?
Don't forget that this is about people interacting with a product or a service within a setting. And likely that setting incorporates other people. So testing ideas early on around a medical device or a mobile health software, whatever it is, thinking this is going to live in the hands of people.
What's important is getting out of the building and getting access to those people who are very happy to lend advice for across the realm of considerations. And so it's really anything you can do to force yourself to get out in front of investors and entrepreneurs with that pattern recognition faster is going to allow you to learn faster.
And there's a certain process that I believe one needs to undertake involving sort of a staged rollout, in a sense, that you attempt to come to the best understanding of what the technology can provide and what the business model is. And then you stress test it in the real world with potential investors and potential customers, but do that gradually with perhaps some friendly faces before attempting some massive fundraising effort or commercialization effort.
Entrepreneurs that understand that there's this cognitive level, emotional level, and social contextual level, and can actually pressure test the ideas early on and improve them in those 3 dimensions, if you like, can more quickly understand that they're getting closer to an ultimate experience that should and will be successful not only in the medical side, but the social side and on the business side.